How to access your account dashboard in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to squarespace.com and then you can click on the This Get Started if you don't have an account yet or log in. As you can see, I've already logged in, so we can see in here my actual account profile. When I hover to that, I can find here the account dashboard option. So let's head over and click on this in order to access it. From in there, this will redirect me to account.squarespace.com link, and we should be able to see in here my dashboard. You can see that I have in here this site, another site, as well as some other sites that I currently have. So in this case, you can actually just click on any site that you wish to use or you wish to edit. Click on the site itself, and then from in there, this will open the actual site from our screen. And we should be able to access its settings as well as edit that particular website altogether through this particular way. And get a custom domain, publish your site, edit the pages, and then do the setup right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.